Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at AMC. So AMC has been going down recently, and next week doesn't look any better. You can see technical indicator here pointing down. That's a sell indicator, and another sell indicator here. So triple sell, which means sell, which means it's going down probably this next week again. Not sure how much, hopefully not too much, because I just got put this stock. I had a cash cover put that I've been rolling forward and forward and forward, and I couldn't roll it forward anymore for a credit unless I went up and out to a higher strike price, and I was not willing to do that. So I took the stock. My cost basis is about $43, and the strike price I had was 57. So way up here is where I got the stock now. I sold back here, obviously. I sold the put, and I don't remember where exactly. Go back and look at the videos. But then things turned around and started going down. So I've been rolling it ever since back here. Wow, it's been a while. 3 months, 4 months ago. So substantially, right? Rolling it a week or two or a month at a time. So I have made a bunch of credits on it. So I did reduce my cost basis down to $43, which is good, but still not good enough. It's 35 right now. 200-day moving average only 27, so it's still above it. And you can see it's below the 20-day moving average. It's been kind of sticking around the 20-day, so it could go back up again around that area, and this line keeps moving higher. So we'll see how this works out. Tell me what you guys think of AMC. Think there could be another short squeeze coming eventually, maybe. Fundamentals in the company are obviously getting better with everybody going back to the movies, right? So hopefully losses will continue to you can see negative $3, negative $1.50. Negative 71 cents. Hopefully it's a smaller negative number or a positive number would be even better. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.